I'm Korneel Rabaey, professor at Ghent University. I'm delighted to be a part of this fantastic MELiSSA conference. In the MELiSSA conference, we will be highlighting new technologies for life support in space. And by doing this, we and ESA and all our colleagues are making space travel more realistic, but also more sustainable, because we will need to transport less materials into space and contribute to a better life quality of astronauts in space. What particularly also interests me is to look at these technologies and see how they can contribute on Earth to sustainability. If we are developing these new technologies for space, we should translate them as well to terrestrial applications. And I see these coming together beautifully in the MELiSSA conference, and so I hope you'll join us for what's surely going to be an exciting event.